So welcome back to Rock Solid Motorsports. Today we have the true privilege to introduce to you this beautiful 1971 Chevrolet Blazer. And this Blazer comes to us benefiting from about a 10-year-old Resto-Mod style restoration, during which the front end was converted to a 68 front clip. The whole truck presents extremely well. This has definitely been a very lovingly maintained truck, and during the restoration as well, it was converted into the permanent roadster style. And you just have that stunning bright red exterior paint complemented by the factory style chrome and stainless trim, the black custom hand laid pinstriping kind of throughout the truck, sitting on those great polished Riddler wheels. This truck just has an awesome stance and just is in excellent condition throughout, especially with that shaved door handles. You have the aftermarket TMI leather and suede bucket seats inside the truck with a very factory presenting dash with digital gauges, tilt column. And under the hood of this great truck is a late model 5.3 fuel injected V8 backed by a 700 R4 overdrive automatic transmission. So not only is this a stunning Blazer, it's a great driving example of these Blazers. So we'll go grab the other cameras and take it for a test drive. Such a pretty truck.
It is, and these seats are so comfortable.
They are. TMI makes a nice seat.
They do.
So yeah, now we're gonna go for a test drive in that gorgeous 1971 Chevrolet Blazer.
What a gorgeous truck.
Absolutely.
Curb appeal for days.
Yeah, I love, I mean, you don't have a chance to put a top up, but I love this permanent roadster kind of look to it. Just kind of screams like West Coast California to me.
And you're not going to drive this truck in weather anyway. I
No.
mean, you might get caught accidentally. You could always add a top, but
Like a soft top, yeah. But for today, I'm not sweating it.
nope.
But I mean, on top of it just being an awesome custom Blazer, I mean, it's a nice, well-built Resto-Mod with that 5.3 fuel injected V8 and the 700 R4. I mean, you just have some great, like, modern driving ability. I mean, this truck is effortless.
And we actually know the builder.
Yeah.
He built the truck, and he's built these 68 to 72 C10s for decades.
Yeah.
And he builds a really nice truck.
He does.
A lot of his trucks. And this particular Blazer he built for himself personally.
Yep.
So, you know, it's not just something that was built to sell. This one was built. He kept it for about 10 years. He's thoroughly enjoyed it.
Yeah. I want to say thoroughly. Yeah. I don't think there's that many miles on that drivetrain.
But, I mean, he and his wife, they took it to car shows, you know, showed this truck. There's good reason for him to be proud of this truck.
Yeah, coming around the turn at about 50 miles an hour. I mean, it is such an easy driving truck. I mean, he said from day one when he finished this truck, I mean, it never gave him any issues.
Yeah.
I mean, I absolutely believe it. And it's been a joy to drive, even coming up here to do the test drive. It's a great looking truck. We've gotten people asking about it. Thumbs up waves since we've been driving it. I mean, it's just dripping curb appeal. That bright red exterior with the Riddler polished wheels, that low stance. I mean, it's just such a great truck. And it's got a bunch of nice touches and updates. I mean, you got digital gauges. I mean, all of them that you want. Speedo, tach, fuel, oil pressure, temp sensor, charging.
And all your gauges work. Your voltage gauge reads a little low. We double checked that, but all the gauges do work. We had to check the cruise control.
Yeah,
Keep forgetting to check that.
Yeah, we'll check out the way out of the roundabout.
Your wipers and your antenna both have been omitted.
Yeah, deleted.
And the factory style AM/FM radio does not work. It's an on. And no,
you can always
heat,
put
no air.
You got plenty of room to put whatever speakers or get a Bluetooth module in this truck or something like that if you really need a stereo. But I've just been enjoying driving it, listening to that V8.
It's got a great sound.
It does.
That dual exhaust.
Yeah, 5.3 is just breathing through factory manifolds, but a custom dual exhaust system. True duals, no H-pipe or nothing like that. So it's got a real nice classic V8 sound to it.
It does.
So we'll let her get down and breathe a little bit. 60.
You know, when it puts you back in the seat, that's the nice thing about these like LS-based motors when they're putting a Resto-Mod.
Yeah.
You know, they're sporting.
They are.
Even stop.
Yeah, and this one you can definitely feel his gear in tune and just kind of cruise. Because it could definitely shift a lot snappier if you really wanted it to. But, I mean, it still gets down. I mean, it still makes an amazing sound when you get into it.
And you know, I have to be honest, when I first saw the truck, I was kind of concerned about like the wind noise and like highway speeds. At 55, 60 miles per hour, there is really not that much wind or noise. I get a little bit in the back of my head.
But no, like talking to, passenger would be real comfortable. I don't feel like I'm having to raise my voice. I'm sure you can hear me just fine on the speaker. No, it's such a comfortable truck. And yeah, these TMI seats, like Dad said earlier, are real comfortable. It's nice that the entire truck is carpeted, including the back. I mean, it is awesome. It's one that's like, if you just want to get in, turnkey, cruise, show, I mean, it's detailed, I think, enough that you can do that. Just, and it's going to present very well.
Stand proud at any local cruise in or car show.
Or add a back seat for kids.
Cruise control work?
Oh yeah, it's front. Sure does.
Nice. They got cruise control. Power steering, power brakes.
Power 4-wheel disc brakes.
Yeah.
Yeah, rear end was out of like a 2000 Trans Am with a 308 gear, so you have limited slip.
And Fozzy.
Yeah. Less. That's limited slip.
Oh, limited slip.
So yeah, limited slip, 4-wheel power disc brakes. I mean, so it runs and drives like a new truck, way better than a factory Blazer does.
The ride is so much better.
It is.
Than a factory 71 Blazer.
I mean, if you're in the market for one of these Blazers, I mean, you're going to be hard pressed to find one that runs and drives better than this truck. It's just a great setup truck. It's one, like we've been saying, it's going to catch people's eye. It's going to draw attention. People are going to love looking at it at the Cruise Inter Car Show, and you're just going to love driving it. It is such a nice truck, so not enough nice things to say. If you want to stay tuned for that walk-around inspection, it's going to be more of a highlight reel of all the custom touches. For a 10-year-old build, it looks as such. It still presents pretty fresh. Yeah. So definitely stay tuned.
You're not going to want to miss this one.
No. So now that we're done with the test drive, we'll move on to the walk-around inspection portion of the video. And this really shouldn't take long. I mean, this truck, like I said earlier, is only a 10-year-old build, and it presents as such with very few, very, very minimal defects. But starting here in the driver's side of the windshield, all your glass is nice and clean and clear. No heavy cracks, scratches, stone chips of any kind. Your cowl is nice and straight. Coming down to the driver's side front fender, your wheel trim and molding is in excellent condition, shines nice and bright. Your front fender throughout is very straight, not noticing any dings. To note, you might have just a couple nitpicky stone chips way down low on the fender, but your front left Riddler wheel is in excellent condition, shines nice and bright with no defects to really note. Across the driver's side of the hood is nice and straight, and the paint throughout on this truck shines extremely well. Very minimal orange peel anywhere. You do have one little touch up there in the black, but that's really all that I'm noticing. Across the front grille, your front bumper is nice and straight. Your stainless grille trim.
And that bumper shines extremely well.
It does. It's probably new at the time of the build. All your Chevrolet lettering is in excellent condition. Chevrolet emblem has a little bit of age, but not bad. I mean, everything else looks like it was new at the time of the build.
Little ding there.
Coming across the passenger side of the hood again is nice and straight. Paint shines very well. Passenger side of the cowl is in very good condition.
A little minor chip there.
The leading edge of the cowl.
Right at the corner there.
And then you do have your antenna delete. Coming across the passenger side of the windshield. The windshield's nice and clear. No major defects to note. Passenger side front fender's nice and straight. Your wheel molding trim, again, in excellent condition. Paint's shining very well. Might, again, have a couple nitpicky stone chips down low. But your passenger front wheel is just as clean as the driver's side, looks almost as new. Passenger side door is in excellent condition. Nice and straight, not noticing really any defects. There's a little stone chip. I don't know if we got that earlier, but your rocker is nice and straight and clean. Well, the doors are shaved, so you do have to reach in.
All the molding is in very good condition. Bottom of your doors extremely clean. The interior of the door is very nice condition. Your door card is very good condition. Same with the handle. Got a very clean door opening. There are some light little scuffs and scratches, a couple little chips from probably the seat belt, would be my guess. And your scuff plate's got just a little bit of age, but still shines well. The black carpet is in very good condition throughout. Really nice, rich black. The TMI bucket seat, passenger side is in excellent condition, showing little to no wear. You got these nice added suede inserts in the leather seats. Your dash pad is in excellent condition, no warping. The painted portion of the dash in very good condition. You do have some age on the, looks like what could be the original chrome. Overall, very nice.
The doors on this truck shut very well, just like they should, nice and solid. Coming across the passenger side rear quarter, the quarter is extremely straight. Again, your body line and wheel molding trim is in excellent condition throughout. Your right rear wheel in excellent condition. Your bed's been nicely carpeted, but underneath it, is a nice rust-free straight bed. Come across the rear tailgate. The tailgate is nice and clean. You do have some more of that added pinstriping with the artist signature down below it. But all of your rear trim, your rear bumpers, nice and straight. All of it shines nice and bright. Tail light lenses are in excellent condition, nice and clear. And the tailgate, aside from maybe a couple just minor little dings, is in excellent condition. There's no rust issues at all. Come across the driver's side of the quarter. Again, the quarter's nice and straight. This is just going to be a highlight reel of just how nice this truck is and all the custom touches. But again, your wheel molding's nice and straight and clean. Left rear wheels in excellent condition. Even down low, you might have a little nick. So you can just tell this truck has just been wonderfully maintained. Driver's side doors nice and straight. You might have a little chip right there at the edge of the door. One down low. Yeah, on top of the rocker, but
Easily touched up.
absolutely.
Rear carpet on the driver's side is in excellent condition. Same with the driver's side door. Just like the passenger side door. Very nice and clean. Door cards in very good condition. Even your armrests still are in very good condition. Might have very slight age in the door handle itself, but another very nice clean door opening, which again, you got some couple little scratches and chips probably from the seat belt. But the driver's side seat, again, like the passenger seat, and it does not appear to be 10 years old. There's even the suede is in very good condition. Steering wheel has no cracks. It's in very good condition. The dash throughout is in very good condition. Center console is in very good condition, showing some minor age.
Coming under the hood, you'll find a very clean and tidy engine compartment, showcasing that awesome 5.3 liter V8 power plant. It is dressed with 6-liter Vortec engine cover that's been painted to match the truck. They've just been beautifully detailed, especially with the polished power brake booster and master cylinder. You got your plaque there with the Blaster name and it's engraved.
It's engraved.
Yeah. So now we'll go ahead and get on in the Blazer, fire it up, and show you some lights working.
That 5.3 fires right up. Nice and tight. No funny noises. That was extremely smooth. Some lights with your headlights. Brights. Driver side turn signal. Passenger side turn signal. All your forward lights work as they should. What a gorgeous truck. Running lights, brake lights, driver side turn signal, passenger side turn signal, and your reverse lights. All your rear lights work as they should.
So if you're in the market for just a gorgeous example of these classic Blazers and one with just a very unique Resto-Mod style to it that runs and drives better than a factory Blazer, you're definitely going to want to take a very close look at this gorgeous 1971 Chevrolet Blazer. Rock solid Motorsports.